Hello, I'm Wesley Butler with Transoft Solutions. Welcome to our how-to videos for ParkCAD. New in ParkCAD 5 is the Entrance tool, which replaces the entrance layers in earlier versions of ParkCAD. To create an entrance, use the tool and select a start point and an end point. These entrances can be modified using the grips or from the dialog box. Width and left side or right side island angles can be changed in this way. Use the center grip to move an entrance once it has been created, anywhere along the side of the parking area. There is also a pick tool, which allows entrances which have been drawn as lines or polylines to be selected and turned into entrances. The entrance tool is intended to make ParkCAD easier to use and require less CAD skill to create and edit layouts.